up guys, quick one. So I have this shot for my upcoming movie, The Lone Horseman, that I'm currently working on. And there's this dream sequence where I need a little bit of handshake, wiggle type camera effects. And I just remember a very cool way of how I can achieve that, and I like to share it with you guys. All right, so here's my sequence. First thing you want to do is to go to Effects. You want to grab Transform. All right, you want to scroll down, and then we'll start with the basic keyframe style animation. So you want to go to Position, increase the size, scale to maybe 120. So you have a little bit of wiggle room, you know, something to like move the stuff around. And then you just want to play around with your position. Start from the extreme left. I want to zoom in so I can have a better look. You can go to the extreme right. I want to go down. Let's keyframe, I want to go up. And every point in time, you want to try and reset. So you want to basically go back to your initial setup so we can actually have enough room to play. Basically, you want to reset a few times, manually check around and see how you can, you know, balance up all the footages. So you just basically want to wiggle around a lot.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Just want to keep doing that. Vary the scale. Opposite ends, down. This is down. The next frame you want to go up. Just to just keep this, all of this is just to keep the shot interesting. Want to vary the shots. Want to vary the shots as much as possible. That's what we want. We want so many variables. So you basically want to do that every 2 frames. You want to leave a little bit of space in between your keyframes so the movements are not too sudden and not too janky. So you just want to keep doing the wiggle, play around with the variables. And then what I like to do is just after that, scan around and just cover up for any of the black spaces that you see. Uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle box and then increase the shutter angle. Want to go something around 300. Ooh, that gives me a very nice effect. All right, that's basically what I'm looking for. So, you know, you can use this basically for films, you use this for your music videos, anything you want to do. So when you're done, you just copy and paste and vary. Copy, paste, vary. Copy, paste, and vary. So that's it on this one. My name is Olateru. Like this video if you have learned anything, and please subscribe and follow our story on how we are disrupting our film industry in Nigeria. Cheers.